Hi, welcome to iTech 136. I want to do a sample in the side book about string. For the string, there are many small lab problems, but they are all not optional. So I am going to do a different one. And in this lab, write a program that read a character, then read a list of words. The output of the program is every word in the list that contain the character at least once. Assume at least one word in the list will be contain the given character. So if the input is Z and hello zoo sleep drizzle, then output is zoo and drizzle. And keep in mind that character A is not equal to the character, the upper and lowercase a are not the same. I am going to do this inside the um, side book. So type in your code here. Since they did not ask for a function, you don't have to use a function. And I would, let's see, I would call the input char is input. Now, as I mentioned before, in sidebook, the input, don't put the prompt in the input because that will cause a problem when the sidebook try to um, check your output. This input prompt message will cause an output problem. So first is the input char. Second is, let's call the message. And similar to some example I did before, the word would be my input, my input message dot split. This split into a list of words. Again, you could stop right here and print the word out to see what they look like. For example, if I have a Z and let me see, let me put this here and run the program, you will see these are the words. So let's try. And in order to check where the word contain the input char, I need a loop for word in words. For every word in the words list, if input char in word, right? Earlier you saw that this is the word and Z is what I'm looking for. So if Z in one of these words, then I want to print the word. Let's run the program and see what happened. As you can see, if this is my input, the output is zoo drizzle. Does it look like the output here? That look pretty good. So let's submit for grading. And yet I got 10 out of 10. And they do for different type of input. Now, the key thing here is using split to split the input into word and using loop to process each word in the input. This is the key idea behind using split and the loop to iterate each of the word in the input list. Take a look. If you need problem, question, let me know.